Does Halloween have you be a little nervous this year? Well, let's be honest. 2020, we don't know quite what to expect. So, what I wanted to do is show you some of the most ingenious ways people are coming up to hand out candy this year safely. And big bonus, you stay through the end. I'll show you my Halloween costume. Let's dive in. Have you seen the 6-foot candy slide that attaches to your banister? It is absolutely fantastic, and you can just slide that candy through the tube right into a child's basket. Amazing and simple. Let's talk about the other option that is a slight variation of the candy tube. This one is a freestanding way to bridge the stairs that are in front of your house, and you can then just slide it again right through. Total genius. Want to do it a little bit differently? Use a ladle so you don't have to touch any of the candy that you're handing out and you're minimizing contact. Great way to hand out candy as well. Of course, you can also do it the old school way by simply putting it in a basket. So if you're a little queasy about your children consuming candy right that evening that was touched by God knows how many people before, just put it into little bags, little plastic bags, and you can then just swap the candy out so you can have the Halloween candy, do its thing in the garage or wherever you deem safe until you feel good about somebody else touching it. And then the fifth way that I thought was really incredible is that little zipline pulley system that will send candy down to you right down the driveway, and it is just attaching to a cable, and then you can reel it back up on a string. And this way, it's probably the most time-consuming one, but definitely a spectacle for people to stop in. So no matter how you decide to hand out candy this year, may it be just the way we always handled it, might it be one of the other cool ways I just showed you, I do wish you a happy, health, and safe Halloween 2020. My name is Janine Sasso. I am a local realtor right here in the Chicagoland area, servicing the northwest suburbs of Chicago. From our family to yours, happy Halloween!